Essential PPC acronyms will help you learn and improve your ads much faster, which in turn could make you more profitable. So what you want to do is go into your actual Amazon ads dashboard. So log into Amazon Seller Central, go to Campaign Manager, so that way you can follow along while we're doing this. And the first thing we're going to be looking at is ACOS and ROAS. This is like the most simple and the biggest one you want to focus on. If you're doing ACOS, there's two types of to measure ads. It's ACOS and ROAS. ACOS was around pretty much first, so a lot of people use ACOS more often, but this is how you determine it. Pretty much what you want to know is the lower the ACOS, the better. So if you're running a race, you don't want to be number 500, which is a high number. You want to be number 1, which is a low number. So the lower, the better. Now the ROAS is the complete opposite. The higher, the better. And it's just two different ways to determine, right? So if we're looking at this, we can see this is a campaign right here, and you can see the ACOS is 9%. And again, the lower, the better. So we want it to be below 20% if possible, and we want it to maintain below 20%. So that is one way of determining it. There's the ACOS. And then we have the ROAS is 10.11. Now 10.11 is really good as well, and you want it to be the higher the better. So it's up to you on how you determine what you're going to tell yourselves or even your clients on what is the best. But they're both the same. It just is a different way of calculating the outcome, okay? Next is going to be cost per click and vCPM, which is cost per 1,000 viewable impressions. Right, the cost per click is going to be super duper important as well. So if I'm running an ad on Amazon, let's go on Amazon right now. If I'm running an ad, here's an ad, and if I click on it, a Samsung ad, how much does it cost if I click on it right now? If it cost 2 cents, it wouldn't be that bad. But if it costs $100 per click, that might be really bad, especially if it's a bot clicking on it or a competitor. So you want to know what your cost per click is at the end of the day. Next is going to be cost per 1,000 viewable impressions. So you can do cost per click depending on the campaign, or you can do cost per impression. So if cost per click is too expensive, you can also tell Amazon, hey, anytime somebody just views this counts as a view. I'm viewing it right now. I get charged per 1,000 people that view it, right? Think of it like an ad sign when you're driving. You're like, oh, look at that. If you get 1,000 people that goes, look at that, it costs money. So you can determine how you want. That's another way of running ads, right? So you can look at those right here, and they can see vCPM and CPC. Next up is your targeting triad. So we've got keywords right here. Keyword targeting, KW, is pretty much your keywords. So if I want to show up for tennis ball, that's my keyword, tennis ball. Or if I want to show up for yellow tennis ball, that's a keyword, KW, okay? ASIN is just how you define the product. So instead of saying, let's say I have a blue one, a yellow one, Amazon has a certain ASIN that they prescribe it to. So you can check your Amazon inventory to see more what an ASIN is. And then your PAT, so your product attribute targeting. So maybe I only want to, what's your PAT? Like, I only want to show customers products that cost more than mine because mine is a great deal. So that's going to be my PAT. And then we have different categories of ads. So you've got SP, which is sponsored products, SB, sponsored brands, SD, sponsored display. So those are different ones. Pretty much the main one you want to be focusing on is sponsored products. But this is sponsored brands right here. So if I type in Samsung, if a big screen shows up, that's sponsored brands. If the ad shows up over here, it's going to be sponsored products. And you can actually go through to see what the difference is. So it kind of shows you right here what sponsored products is, sponsored brands. They have streaming TV now. And then they have sponsored display, SD. And then the last but not least is going to be the 2 funnel stage right here. And we got CTR, which is click-through rate, and CVR, which is conversion rate. So click-through rate means how many people are seeing it compared to clicking it. So if 1,000 people saw this and nobody clicks on it, that's a 0% click-through rate, right? People are seeing it, but they're not clicking on it. And that means that your listing probably isn't attractive. So you want to make sure that your listing is attractive to improve your click-through rate, maybe your image or your title. And this is CVR. So after they click, what percentage purchases, right? So that's going to be your CVR, conversion rate. So you want to look into that as well. These are super important to see, okay, what's our click? If you're not getting any clicks, there might be a problem with your listing. And if you're getting clicks and they go through, then maybe the secondary part, your bullet points, might be bad, right? So you want to just double check them all at the end of the day. But those are going to be your little cheat sheet of seller glossary for PPC. And of course, if you are running ads, you need to make sure your listing's optimized. If it's not optimized, go to the link in our description. We'll do a free listing audit from you, and we'll keep it pretty blunt for you. So we're not going to lie or sugarcoat it. That way you get a free audit and you can see your top competitors and improvements you can make. So that way, when people click on your listing, they're actually buying your listing. And that's what you want at the end of the day. It's going to improve your ads. And if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also have full Amazon account management where we'll manage your ads, make sure your listings are optimized, customer service design, and make sure your sales are growing. Feel free to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.